Good morning, students. I welcome you again. Today we are going to discuss the case studies in the form of revision of staffing part first, students, because the case studies of staffing chapter has been divided into two parts. Let's discuss the very first part of staffing case study, students. The very first case study, students, as I told you each and every time कि केस स्टडीज़ में आप हमेशा जो नीचे की लाइन्स हैं, लास्ट की लाइन्स हैं, उनको पढ़िए. उससे आपको पता लगेगा कि ये केस स्टडीज़ किस टॉपिक और किस चैप्टर को लेकर है. सो लेट डिस्कस द ए पॉइंट एंड बी पॉइंट ऑफ द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टूडेंट्स, एज दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स अंडर 2015 CBSE sample paper, 3 marks. So A part, the above discussion is indicating the important function of management. Name the function of management. From this it has been clear that केस स्टडी में एक इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन पूछा गया मैनेजमेंट का, एंड यू नोट स्टूडेंट्स वेरी वेल दैट देयर आर 5 फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. तो 5 फंक्शंस में से कोई एक फंक्शन आएगा. बी पॉइंट, स्टूडेंट, द मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन आइडेंटिफाइड इन पैरा ए फॉलोज अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस. एक्सप्लेन द स्टेप्स of this process which is being discussed in the above para. B point में it has been very much clear that among the 5 functions of management there is one function और उस function के steps और process पूछे. I hope it, students, it is very much clear to you. Now come to the case study, student. The Zenith Limited is highly reputed company and many people wanted to join this company. The employees of this organization are very happy and they discussed how they come in contact with the organization. Aman said that he was introduced the present sales manager, Mr. John. Binu said he had applied through the newspaper and was appointed as HR manager. Vaibhav said that he was neither related to any employee of the organization nor there was any advertisement in the newspaper. Even then, he was directly called from IIM's Ahmedabad, from where he was about to complete his MBA. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स ये जो तीनों पर्सन्स हैं इनकी अपॉइंटमेंट के बारे में ये बता रहे हैं कि हाउ दे आर अपॉइंटेड इन ज़ेनिथ लिमिटेड कंपनी. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, इनके जो अपॉइंटमेंट हुए हैं दैट कम्स अंडर वन फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट दैट इज नोन एज स्टाफिंग. प्लानिंग के अंदर अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होता स्टूडेंट्स, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग के अंदर स्टाफ अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होता है, डायरेक्टिंग के अंदर अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होता है, अपॉइंटमेंट कंट्रोलिंग के अंदर नहीं होता है. कंट्रोलिंग इज ए चेकिंग फंक्शन, तो अपॉइंटमेंट कैन बी डन ओनली इन स्टाफिंग फंक्शन. Right, students? So I hope this case study is very much clear to you. So staffing, you have to write the meaning of staffing and write down the topic staffing. और students, ये किस तरीके से इनका appointment हुआ है, that comes under recruitment. Right, students? So you know it very well. What you mean by the term recruitment? It is one of the process of staffing. It is defined as the process of researching for a prospective employee and encouraging them to apply for the job in the organization. I hope, students, it is very much clear to you. So A part staffing and B part the one process of staffing, that is recruitment. Apply for the job in the organization. Now come to the next case study, students. Now students, this question, second case study is, अगर आप right hand side देखें तो it comes in CBSE 2016 and it consists of 3 marks, students. So let's discuss the last 3 lines, students. State the next 3 steps that will have to undertake for obtaining a satisfied workforce for their handicraft units. I hope, students, it has been very much clear कि steps, next 3 steps पूछे, right, students? और for obtaining a satisfied workforce, obtaining means appointing a satisfied workforce means employees. For obtaining means appointment of employees. Appointment of employees can only be done under staffing chapter, student. तो I hope it is very much clear to you. Next 3 steps पूछे गए हैं और स्टाफिंग का पार्ट है. Let's discuss the case study now. Akanksha, Nikita and Parishma are the owners of handicraft unit in the urban area of Daiburgar in Assam, which is involved in the manufacturing and marketing of Sital Patti, traditional mats, and Japi, the traditional headgear. They decided to shift the manufacturing unit to a rural area with an objective of reducing the cost and providing job opportunities to the locals. I hope, students, the very first paragraph it is very much clear to you कि एक हैंडीक्राफ्ट यूनिट्स हैं और वो हैंडीक्राफ्ट यूनिट्स ये जो तीनों ओनर हैं उस हैंडीक्राफ्ट यूनिट्स के उसको रूरल एरिया में भेज रहे हैं, रूरल एरिया में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग कॉस्ट एंड प्रोवाइडिंग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू द लोकल्स. They followed the functional structure in the organization with the view to increase managerial and operational efficiency. They assessed and analyzed the type and number of employees required. I hope it is, students, very much clear to you. they assessed and analyzed the type of number of employees required. It has very much come under the staffing process, estimating manpower requirement, keeping in mind that they had encouraged the women and the people with special needs belonging to the rural areas. Right, student, state the next 3 steps. इन्होंने students next 3 steps पूछे हैं under this case study. The very first step is very much clear to you. The very first step is the students estimating manpower requirements, जो कि इसके अंदर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, इसके अंदर ऑलरेडी पूछा गया है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज after in staffing process, after the estimating manpower requirement, the next step is recruitment, selection, और उसके बाद है students planning, placement and orientation. I hope students it is very much clear to you under the second case study. So the next 3 steps in the process of staffing are stated below: recruitment, selection, and the third one is students is placement and orientation. I hope students it is very much clear to you, right? So you have to write the next 3 steps that comes under staffing process. So recruitment, it is a process of searching the prospective employees and encouraging them for apply job in the organization. The higher the number of people who apply for the job, the higher will be the possibility of getting a suitable employee. It is a positive process, students. Then selection, it is a process of identify and selecting the best person out of a number of prospective candidates who have applied for the job. The selection is done through a process which involves test, interview, etc. It is a negative process. Then come to the placement and orientation. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the vacant job position. Placement refer to occupying of post of candidate for which he is selected, students, right? Orientation refers to introduction of new employees to their fellow employees and familiarizing him or her with the rules and regulations of the organization. I hope students that this case study is very much clear to you. So come to the next case study, students. So next case study, students, it consists of 6 marks, students. From the right hand side में लिखा हुआ है. Come to the last lines under the third case study. Answer the following question on the basis of the above information. Quoting the lines, identify the first 2 steps of staffing. Now it is very much clear to you, students, कि उन्होंने staffing के पहले 2 steps पूछे हुए. Identify different tests given to the applicants by Mr. Goel. Right, students, you have to identify the test also. अब ये test आपने पढ़े selection process में. Now it is a combination of staffing process and a combination of selection process. Selection process में जो second step है, इसमें selection test होते हैं. There are 5 types of tests, students. You are very much clear to you. And quoting the lines, identify the first 2 steps of staffing. First 2 steps of staffing, you know it very well: estimating manpower requirements or recruitment. These are the first 2 steps. Now let's discuss the case study, student. Mr. Vikas Goel is an HR manager of Sanduja Furniture Private Limited. At the beginning of the new year, he anticipated that the company will need new 30 additional persons to fill up different vacancies. He gave an advertisement in the newspaper, invited applicants for filling up different posts. As many as 120 applicants were received. Right, student, for the 30 additional persons के लिए 120 applications received हुई. They were scrutinized. Out of these conditions, 15 applicants were not acceptable to the company. Right, students, 120 में से, right, 15 applicants were not acceptable to the company. Letter of regret giving reasons were sent to them. Remaining candidates were called for preliminary interview. Preliminary interview, it is very much clear to you, students. Preliminary interview is the first step of selection process. The candidates called for were asked to fill up the blank application form. Of course, students, you know it very well that in selection process preliminary application form को भरना होता है, student. Thereafter, they were giving 4 tests. 4 tests उन्होंने दिए. The objective of first test was to find out how much interest the applicant does take in his work. Of course, students, ये कौन सा test है? Interest test है. The objective of the second test was to find out specialization of the application in any particular area. Specialization. The third test aimed at making sure whether the applicant were capable of learning through training or not. Right, student? The purpose of fourth test was to find out how much capability a person has to mix up with other person and whether he has influenced other person and get influenced by him. So these are the 4 tests that comes under selection process, students. I hope, students, let's discuss the answer. At the beginning of the year से लेके different vacancies तक estimating manpower requirement, he gave an advertisement and 120 application were received. These are the two lines, students, that comes under two process of students recruitment, selection and training. Right, students? I hope this is very much clear to you. So estimating manpower requirement is there, students, and the second one is recruitment is there from the above lines. Now come to the second part. The four types of test, students. Interest test, right, students? Second one is trade test. Fourth one is aptitude test, and fifth one is personality test. These are the tests has to be followed by the selection process that comes under this case study. I hope it is, student, it is very much clear to you. So let's discuss the next case study, students. Let's discuss the next case study, students. That comes under CBSE 2019 6 marks. Last year का ये क्वेश्चन है बोर्ड का, स्टूडेंट्स. 6 marks का ये क्वेश्चन है. Come to the last two lines under the case study for student. Explain the other steps which Nisha has to perform to complete the process being discussed above. ये चीज क्लियर है स्टूडेंट्स कि अमंग द वेरी 5 फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में से एक फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट आएगा और उसका स्टेप्स पूछे गए हैं. नाउ लेट डिस्कस द केस स्टडी, स्टूडेंट्स. Entertainment India Limited has been incorporated with the objective of entertaining people by organizing festivals, programs and other similar events depicting the rich culture heritage of the country. The company management has renowned personality from the field of art, literature and culture. They decided to give a platform to young budding musicians, poets and artists. The company decided its organization structure by grouping similar jobs together. Thereafter, the heads of different departments were also appointed. Nisha, one of the heads, did an analysis of the number and type and qualified necessary for people to be appointed. The information generated in the process of writing job description and the candidate's profile was used to develop situation vacant advertisement. Right, student? This was published in print media and flashed in electronic media. This brought in a flood of response. Explain the other steps which Nisha has to perform to complete the process being discussed above. Of course, students, इसके अंदर स्टाफिंग का प्रोसेस पूछा गया है, रिक्रूटमेंट हो चुका है स्टूडेंट्स, और उसमें एस्टिमेटिंग मैन पावर रिक्वायरमेंट भी हो चुकी है स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज इट हैज बीन रिटन इन द लास्ट 5th line. The information generated in the process of writing job description and the candidate profile was used to develop situation vacant advertisement. Situation vacant advertisement रिक्रूटमेंट में होता है स्टूडेंट, और उससे पहले की जो लाइन है दैट कम्स अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग मैन पावर रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 2 steps इसमें ऑलरेडी दिए हुए हैं. अदर स्टेप्स आप यू नो इट वेरी वेल. द अदर स्टेप्स इज सिलेक्शन, प्लेसमेंट एंड ओरिएंटेशन, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, परफॉर्मेंस अप्रेजल, प्रमोशन एंड करियर प्लानिंग एंड कंपनसेशन. You have to discuss and explain all the next function of all the next process that comes under staffing process. Selection, right, students? It is a process of identifying and selecting the best person out of a number of prospective candidates who have applied for the job. The selection is done through a process which involves test, interview. It is a negative process. Then come to placement and orientation. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the vacant job position. Placement refers to occupying of post by the candidate for which he is selected. Orientation refers to introduction of new employees to the existing employees and familiarizing him or her with the rules and policies of the organization, students. Then come to the next one. The next one is training and development. Training is a process by which aptitude, skill and abilities of employees to perform specific jobs are increased. It is a process of learning new skills, students. Development refers to learning opportunities designed to help the employees to grow. It involves growth of an individual in all respect. Then performance appraisal, students. It means checking on employees' current and past performance as against certain predetermined standards. Appraisal are used for a variety of purpose relating to training, promotion and compensation. Then come to promotion and career planning, student. It means moving an employee to a higher job position. Sometimes a worker may not fit into his job in a particular department, then he is transferred to other department to improve his efficiency. Thus, career planning includes promotion, transfer and demotion of employee based on their performance. Then the last one is students' compensation. It refers to all forms of pay or rewards given to the employees, that is direct financial payment, wages, salaries, commission, bonus and indirect payments, that is employer contribution to provident fund, LIC, vacations, etc. Right student, basically it is a price for the job. I hope student it is very much clear to you. So let's discuss the next case study, students. Now come to the next case study, students. Come to the last two lines. You have been retained by the company to advise it is in this matter suggests that the company the three main aspect of staffing function. Now student it is very much clear कि तीन aspects पूछे हैं staffing के, and you know students staffing के तीन aspects होते हैं recruitment, selection, training and development. Recruitment means apply for the job in the organization, it is a positive process. Selection, you know it very well students, selection is a negative process, so that because the most suitable candidates are selected and the others are rejected. Training and development, training is related to present period of employees and development is related to future period of employees, students. So let's discuss the case study now. Case study. A company X Limited is setting up a new plant in India for manufacturing auto components. India has a highly competitive and cost-effective production base in this sector. Many reputed car manufacturers source their auto components from here. X Limited is planning to capture about 40% of the market share in India and also export to the tune of at least 5 million in about 2 years of its planned operation. To achieve this target, it requires a highly trained and motivated workforce. Right, students, highly trained and motivated workforce. You have been retained by the company to advise it is in this matter, suggest the company about the three main aspects of staffing function. I hope students it is very much clear to you. You have to discuss the aspects of staffing function. Aspects of staffing means recruitment, selection and training. You have to explain it. It consists of students 3 marks. Let's discuss the next case study, students, because this case study is very much clear to you now. Now students, this case study is supposed to be your 5 marks, students. Let's come to the last two lines. Identify the various duties of HRM highlighted in the above case by quoting the lines. I hope students it is very much clear to you. You have to discuss the lines, quoting the lines and write down the functions of human resource management or HRM management. Right students, so it is very much clear to you. Now come to the case study, student. Move with Pace Limited is a progressive company with very good human resource record. Recently, it created a pool of prospective candidates for job to be given various departments. Job to be given various departments. This is supposed to be the first line. The company is always willing to dispense its human resource duties properly. Various job positions exist in the company. The company makes it mandatory for the human resource department to prepare job description so that necessary information about the jobs could be created. For its decent human resource practice, the company has won several awards. It knows that the most important asset of an organization is its image and protect it. The company is always ready to do the extra efforts. Last year, when a few groups filed a complaint against the company, it made great efforts to fight legally and come out victorious. It means the next function of HRM is to maintain the legal relations. There is very good setup to promote the interest of employees in order to give them familiar environment. The company promotes various informal organization and prepares celebration of all festival. It is very responsive towards its workers and always attends to their problems. There is a special cell in the human resource department which is very responsive to all the complaints made by all the employees regardless to the level at which they work. Recently, national newspaper made a very favorite mentioning of the lack of strike in the company as the management labor relations are very good and a lot of importance is given to the demands of the labor unions. A very peaceful environment exists in the organization. Right students, so this is supposed to be the case study. You have to quote the lines and write down the functions of HRM. So let's discuss the answer, students, under this. The answer is recruitment. From recently से लेकर various departments तक, analyzing job and collecting information about the job. The company से लेकर could be created तक student, defending the company lawsuits and avoiding legal complication. Last year come out with victorious. Providing for social security and welfare of employees in order से लेकर celebration of all festivals तक. Maintain labor relation and union management relation. Recently a national newspaper से लेकर labor unions तक. I hope from these lines it has been very much clear to you. So these are the main functions of HRM, that is recruitment, then analyzing job and collecting information about jobs to prepare job description, then defending the company in lawsuits and avoiding legal complications, then providing for social security and welfare of employees, then maintaining labor relations and union management relation. So these are the 5 functions of HRM which has been discussed in the above case study, students. So you have to quote the lines and write down the functions of HRM. Right, students, this case study consists of 5 marks. So let's discuss the next case study, students. CBSE 2015 case study 7, 5 marks में students आई हुई है. Let's discuss the A point, B point and C point under this, students. Identify the source of recruitment used by ABC Housekeeping Service Limited. Now students, from the A point it is very much clear that this case study is from the chapter staffing और इसमें recruitment पूछा हुआ है, source of recruitment पूछा हुआ है. You know it very well. There are 2 sources of recruitment, that is internal source of recruitment and external source of recruitment. B point, state any one advantage and disadvantage of this source. Identify any 2 values communicated to the society in the above case. Right, students, you have to mention from the case study कि ये internal source of recruitment और external source of recruitment है. Now students, it is very much clear to you that internal source of recruitment, whenever the vacancies are filled from within the organization, it is known as internal source of recruitment, and whenever the vacancies are filled outside the organization, it is known as external source of recruitment. So let's discuss the case study, students. Ashutosh is working with ABC Housekeeping Service Limited. He is also recruiting housekeeping staff for the company. The company provides housekeeping services in Delhi NCR to various companies at short notice. The staff is recruited on a temporary basis. The staff provided by the company is known for its trustworthiness and regularity. Ashutosh is famous in his town for providing employment to untrained people. Right, students? So I hope it is very much clear to you क्योंकि ये external source of recruitment है. The company provides housekeeping services in Delhi NCR to various companies at short notice. So ये जो company है, housekeeping company है, ये दूसरी companies को staff provide करा रही है. So that is known as external source of recruitment. You know, students, very well. External source of recruitment, whenever the vacancies are filled from outside the organization, that comes under external source of recruitment. और students, यहाँ पर advantages हैं with wider choices there. Right, students, you have to write down any one advantage that comes under external source of recruitment. So when the organization meets its manpower requirement from outside the organization, then it is external recruitment. Whenever large number of job positions are vacant, then external recruitment is prepared. You have to write any one advantage and one disadvantage from external source of recruitment, students. From the notes you have learned and write down. Now the values, of course, students, they provide the job opportunities or upliftment of weaker section of the society is there, because Ashutosh is famous in his town for providing employment to untrained or untrained people. It has been written in the last line of the case study. So I hope, students, this is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study, students. Mr. Ali Muhammad, the CEO of Super Limited, believes that human resource is the most important asset of the firm. Human resource is the most important asset of the firm comes only in one chapter, that is known as staffing. He believes that no organization can be successful until and unless it can fill and keep filled the various positions provided in the structure with the right kind of people. Of course, students, right kind of people can be filled through staffing only. Identify the function of management, its staffing being discussed above, and state the benefit to the organization that its proper application in the firm will ensure. I hope, students, staffing है इसके अंदर और staffing में पूछा गया है proper staffing, what are the benefits to the organization. Right, students, कंपनी को क्या फायदा हो रहा है अपने एम्प्लॉयज को रखने में. So students, I hope it is very much clear. So let's discuss. Proper staffing ensure the following benefits to the organization. It helps in discovering and obtaining competent personnel for various jobs. This is supposed to be the very first disadvantage or benefit to the organization. Second, makes up for higher performance by putting right person on the right job, ensuring continuous survival and growth of the enterprise, helps in ensuring optimal utilization of human resources, improves job satisfaction and morale of employees. Students, from this point it is very much clear to you that the importance, features or characteristics of staffing has been asked here. You have to write down the importance of staffing, or you can say the process or needs or benefits of the staffing. So importance of staffing आपको लिखना है इसमें. The very first is filling the roles. There will be no use of job position unless these are occupied by employees and it is through staffing function only that employees are appointed to fill the vacant job. Now second student, placing right person at the right job. Proper staffing ensure higher performance by putting right person on the right job. Now come to the third one student, growth of the enterprise. By appointing efficient staff, staffing ensure continuous survival and growth of the enterprise. Fourth is students, optimal utilization of human resources. Through manpower planning and job analysis, we can find out the number of employees and type of employees required in the organization. So there are no chances of shortage or underutilization of employees. Fifth students is improve job satisfaction. Staffing function includes training, promotion, compensation, etc. All these activities helps in motivating the employees and increase the morale of the employees. Right students? Then come to the sixth function or importance of staffing students, key to other function. No other function of management can be carried out without efficient staffing because all the functions are performed by human beings which are appointed by the staffing only. I hope students it is very much clear to you. So you have to write down the staffing and its importance, and it is a quick case study of 6 marks. Let's discuss the next case study students. CBSE 2009 set third, यानी कि it is a question of last year students, 3 marks का ये question आया था. Let's discuss the case study, but before discuss the case study, let's read the last 2 lines. State the next 3 steps Mayank has to follow in the staffing process after selecting heads of different department. Right student, I hope it is very much clear to you. After selecting the heads of different departments, staffing के students इन्होंने क्या पूछे हैं? Staffing के students इन्होंने प्रोसेस पूछे हैं, और स्टाफिंग का प्रोसेस कहाँ से स्टार्ट होना है? आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग हेड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट से. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स डिस्कस द केस स्टडी. Mayank, the director of a company, is planning to manufacture stuffed toys for utilizing waste material of one of his garment factories. He decided that this manufacturing unit will be set up in rural area so that people living in rural area can have job opportunities. For this, he selected Arbaz, Kirti, Lata and Ritik as head of sales accounts, purchase and production department respectively. उन्होंने अपॉइंटमेंट कर लिया है स्टूडेंट मयंक ने. They were differently abled but intelligent and creative persons in designing. State the next 3 steps Mayank has to follow in staffing process. Students, that comes after selection process, because students under the staffing process estimating manpower requirement हो चुका है. That comes under workload analysis और workforce analysis. रिक्रूटमेंट भी हो चुका है, सिलेक्शन भी हो चुका है. सिलेक्शन के बाद के नेक्स्ट 3 स्टेप्स इन्होंने पूछे हैं. तो इन स्टाफिंग प्रोसेस आफ्टर रिक्रूटमेंट द नेक्स्ट 3 स्टेप्स विल बी प्लेसमेंट एंड ओरिएंटेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट and performance appraisal. I hope students it is very much clear to you. So you have to write down these 3 steps with explanation. The very first is placement and orientation. After selection, the employee is given appointment letter and is asked to occupy the vacant job position. Placement refers to occupying of post by the candidate for which he is selected. Orientation refers to introduction of new employees to the existing employee and familiarizing him or her with the rules and policies of the organization. Then come to training and development. Training is a process by which aptitude, skill and abilities of employees to perform specific jobs are increased. It is a process of learning new skills. Then development refers to the learning opportunities designed to help the employees to grow. It involves growth of an individual in all respect. I hope students these are some of the steps that has been come after selection process. So after selection process, these steps has to be written by you. I hope students this case study is very much clear to you. Now come to the next case study students. Now students, let's discuss this case study again, because this is supposed to be the important case study. As you know students, इसमें various duties of human resource management पूछा गया है. So let's discuss with quoting the lines. Move with Pace Limited is a progressive company with very good human resource record. Recently, it created a pool of prospective candidates for job to be given in various departments. Right students, I hope this is recruitment, जो कि HRM का काम है. The company is always willing to dispense its human resource duties properly. Various job positions exist in the company. I hope students ये काम होता है analyzing job and collecting information about the job. The company makes it mandatory for the various resources department to prepare job description so that the necessary information about the job could be created. For a decent human resource practice, the company has won several awards. It knows that the most important asset of the organization is its image, and to protect it, the company is always ready to go extra efforts. Last year, when a few groups filed a complaint against the company, it made a great efforts to fight legally and come out victorious. There is a very good setup to promote the interest of the employees. I hope students this is provide for social security and welfare of employees and students. So in order to give them a similar environment, the company promotes various informal organization and proper celebration of all festivals. It is very responsive towards its workers and always students and always attend to their problems. There is a special cell in the HRM department which is very responsive to all the complaints made by all the employees regardless of the levels at which they work. Now recently, national newspaper made a very favorite mentioning of the lack of strife in the company, as the management labor relations are very good and a lot of importance is given to the demands of labor union. Right students, so this is the fifth function of HRM, that is maintaining labor relation and union management relations. A very peaceful environment exists in the organization. So identify the various duties of HRM department highlighted in the above case by quoting the lines. So these are the lines students, I hope, जिससे कि आपको पता लग जाएगा कि what are the things that comes under this case study students. So from recent recruitment आएगा बेटा, recently से लेके various departments तक. Analyzing job and collecting information about job to prepare job description आएगा तक, company से लेके could be created तक. Defending the company in lawsuits and avoiding legal complication, last year से लेके come out with victorious तक. Providing for social security and welfare of employees in order से लेके celebration of all festivals तक. And maintaining labor relation and union management relation recently से लेकर labor union तक. I hope student this case study is very much clear to you now. Student, this is supposed to be the most important case study. And student, you have to prepare this case study. आप इस case study को prepare करिए. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime students. Learn from the notes. I have already sent you the videos and I have already sent you the revision videos also students. So learn from the revision videos and learn from the notes and see the YouTube videos very much carefully. And if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime students. I have also sent you the exercises along with the solution also. From PPT, PowerPoint presentation, it helps you to solve the exercises also. Thank you students.